Welcome to another video of mini lessons to learn Argentinian Spanish. In this case, I'm gonna teach you the pronunciation in Argentinian Spanish and some key letters that you have to learn to speak as a native, to speak as a real Argentinian person. Así que si estás listo, arrancamos, che. First, I would like to say that 99% of Spanish we pronounce it exactly the same way, but there's a slightly difference. It is just about the letter Y and the double L. Whenever you see these two letters plus a vocal, we will pronounce it differently in Argentina. For example, let's say that I would like to say I. I in Spanish is yo, right? That's neutral Spanish, let's say. Spanish from Mexico or Spain. Yo. But in Argentina, Y plus a vocal is pronounced as sho, as in she in English, right? She. So we say Y and O would sound as sho. Yo soy Nicolás. The same with a double L plus a vocal. For example, let's say I would like to say my yellow keys. It would be mis llaves amarillas. So whenever you see these two or three different letters plus a vocal, it will always sound as sh. For example, sha, she, she, sho, shu. The same with double L. Sha, she, sho, shu. Exactly the same. Another examples it could be, as I've told you before, llaves, caballo, lluvia, calle. It is always the same pronunciation. So don't say llaves, amarillo, caballo. No, don't say it like that. In Argentina, it's always as sh sound. Okay? So this is everything you need to know about pronunciation in Argentinian Spanish. Before finishing with this video, I would like to invite you to my Telegram group, Argentina Travelers. Every day I share tips to learn Argentinian Spanish vocabulary. I help my students and all the members with their questions and doubts about Argentina and Argentinian Spanish and Spanish in general. I also share the most important news of Argentina, and you can practice your Spanish with me and other members of the group. So if you would travel to Argentina and you would like to learn Argentinian Spanish, this is your moment to join to this amazing Telegram group. Here you have the QR, or you can also find it in the description. Ciao, ciao!